In this video, we delve into the relationship between resistance exercise and the human immune system. Resistance exercise is a form of physical activity that involves using weights or resistance bands to build strength. This type of exercise has been found to impact the immune system in various ways, both positively and negatively. Our focus is on a study that examines the immune response to resistance exercise, as well as other research that investigates the effects of exercise on the immune system. Through the exploration of these findings, viewers will gain insight into how physical activity can influence immune function and why moderation is important for overall health. The human immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from harmful foreign substances such as viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. The immune system is divided into two main categories: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is the first line of defense against invading pathogens. This type of immunity includes physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, as well as chemical barriers like antimicrobial peptides and enzymes. Innate immunity also involves immune cells like neutrophils, monocytes, and natural killer cells that are activated when a pathogen is detected. Adaptive immunity, on the other hand, is more specific and tailored to the particular pathogen that the body is facing. Adaptive immunity involves the production of antibodies and the activation of T cells that specifically target and neutralize the invading pathogen. This type of immunity is built up over time, as the body encounters different pathogens and develops immunity to them. Exercise is a common and important aspect of a healthy lifestyle, but it can also have an impact on the immune system. Resistance exercise, in particular, has been shown to cause changes in the immune system that can have both positive and negative effects. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research titled "Immune Responses to Resistance Exercise" aimed to explore the effects of resistance exercise on the immune system. The study involved a group of 15 healthy, physically active men who performed a resistance exercise routine consisting of 3 sets of 10 repetitions of 7 different exercises. The participants' immune responses were then measured at various time points after the exercise. The study found that resistance exercise caused an initial decrease in the number of immune cells in the bloodstream, which is a normal response to exercise. This decrease was followed by an increase in immune cell counts that persisted for several hours after the exercise. The study also found that resistance exercise caused an increase in cytokine production, which is a type of protein that is involved in the immune response. The researchers concluded that resistance exercise can have a positive effect on the immune system by increasing the number of immune cells in the bloodstream and promoting cytokine production. However, they also noted that excessive or prolonged exercise can have a negative effect on the immune system by suppressing immune function and increasing the risk of infection. Other studies have also explored the effects of exercise on the immune system. For example, a study published in the journal Brain, Behavior, and Immunity found that moderate exercise can boost the body's defenses against viral infections by increasing the production of antiviral proteins. Another study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that regular exercise can improve immune function in older adults by increasing the number of T cells and reducing inflammation. Overall, the research suggests that exercise can have both positive and negative effects on the immune system, depending on the type and intensity of the exercise. Resistance exercise, in particular, can promote immune cell counts and cytokine production, which can be beneficial for overall health. However, it is important to engage in exercise in moderation and avoid excessive or prolonged exercise that can have a negative impact on immune function. In conclusion, the human immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from foreign invaders. Resistance exercise can have both positive and negative effects on the immune system, with the potential to increase immune cell counts and cytokine production, but also the potential to suppress immune function and increase the risk of infection. It is important to engage in exercise in moderation and avoid excessive or prolonged exercise to ensure a healthy and balanced immune response. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating new content. Also, if you're interested in checking out more of our videos, you can click on the thumbnails on the screen to see our other content. Thanks again for watching, and we do appreciate your support.